This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 76 of building the Ford GT. In this quick build episode, we're going to be starting the engine and having a look at the free gifts in this pack. Looking at Ford GTs again. We've not looked at them for a little while, so we're going to go back and look at them in the races and stuff. Obviously winning things as they did. Here we go. Feel free to pause and glance at any of those. This is the left engine block and cylinder head. Basically, we're going to be attaching them together, and then that's it. Actually, we're just going to be attaching them together. I think next time we're attaching them to something else as well. But for now, that is that. But while I'm here, before we get to the building part, free gift time. Look, we've got one of what we got: the Ford GT40, winner of Le Mans in 1968. And they've got the drivers' names there as well. Let me cut this open so we can have a quick look at it. Let me move that out of the way as well. Have a look, see. I do like these 143rd cars. They go well with the Fast and Furious 143rd car collection. So, yeah, all good stuff here. This is what we're going to be building. This is what we're building. It's starting to look a bit familiar. But obviously, I know more about the insides than I do the outsides at the moment. So I'm pretty sure this is the duplicate of what we got, what we're going to end up with. So it's looking good. I like it. Number 9 or number 6 is what we got. I don't remember now. But yeah, that is the car, the Ford GT40, number 9. So that's that. Right, let me clear all this out of the way and we'll get the quick build built. And here we have it. 2 plastic parts with this, the Gurney Eagle. Basically, it pops on just like so. Not difficult, fairly easy. 2 screws will hold that in place. So let's get 2 screws out from this packet. Probably get all 3 screws out. Yeah, I thought I'd probably get all 3 screws out. I'll put that aside and sort those out later. Yeah, basically these just go in through the holes there, where everything lines up. Not that hole there, it's this hole there. What am I looking for? One right on the end there, like that, and the other one on the other end, basically. Nice and easy. So that is that. Next issue, I'm sure we're doing something else, but I'm sure very soon we will be returning and basically doing the same again on this on the other side. So yeah, there we have that for now. Another issue done. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.